Hi, folks. I'm going to show you how to configure signed in Google Meet bots for Attendee. This means that instead of joining as an anonymous user, your bot is going to join as an actual G Suite user. So there's certain Google Meet meetings that require an authenticated user, and this will let you get into them. So the first thing you need to do is go into Google Workspace. You need to create a separate Google Workspace organization for the bot to use. And you're going to have to set it up so that it uses Attendee as a sign-in provider, SAML. So I've already done it in this G Suite organization, so it's going to look a little different for you if you've never done it before. If you've never done before, you're going to want to click here, and then at the bottom, there will be a link to use the legacy SSO. That's what you're going to click. I've already done it, so I have it right here. But yeah, you're going to end up at a screen like this. You're going to make sure this box is checked. You're going to make sure the URL for sign in and sign out is these. And these URLs are also in our docs. You're going to make sure this box is checked as well. And you're going to need to upload a public certificate. And I'll show you how to do it. So to create it, you just want to run this command in the terminal. And you can just hit enter, skip all these things. And yeah, you'll see that you have a cert.pem and a key.pem. The cert is your public certificate, the key is your private key. And you're going to want to click this one and upload the public certificate. Then click save. Because at this point you've saved your settings. I've already done it, but if it's fresh, you're going to want to hit manage and then select the legacy SSO profile in the dropdown. And then your screen should look like this. Cool. So one sanity check that you can do is open up an incognito tab and try signing in with your bot's G Suite account email address. So mine is botgunley@useattendee.com. Hit next, and it should redirect you to this page. It's going to display could not sign in because what our backend does, it kind of creates a special session. So only our backend, it will only work for our backend. It won't work if you just type it into the web browser, but that's fine. So this is just a quick sanity check you can do. And then after that, you're going to need to go into Attendee and add a Google Meet bot login. So select the domain, select the email address for your G Suite user that you created, and then select the private key and public certificate that you created. Yeah, so just do that. And now you're all set up. You just need to call the API. So yeah, the only thing different when you call the API to use this functionality is you need to set use login to be true. And there's also a way you can also configure a login mode where it will only log in if the meeting requires you to be logged in, and that's covered in the docs. So let's make the API request. And the bot should join our meeting shortly. There it is. And you can tell because it's got the name Bot Gunley. It's going to override whatever you put here in the API call. Cool. And this is going to work just like any other attendee bot. It's just the name is going to be different. And if you set an avatar in the G Suite directory. The bot will also have that avatar. Cool. Give this feature a try. Let me know if you have any questions.